Dumela, welcome back to yet another. So I have many YouTube channels, and I was debating on where to put this video about music. It's about a legend who is still very young to be called a legend. Talking about Tebogo Letsile, man who opened so many other doors. Obviously, he gave homage to like Isaac Makwala and all that. But because this is a Botswana thing, I think it's appropriate on the Setswana channel, so you already know. So if you're like a supporter of athletics, you would know that there's a really good team coming out from Botswana, 400 meters, 200 meters, 100 meters. Colin Kibina T, Lee Epi, Bayapondori, Tebogo Letsile, and all those guys. But one other thing that I try to look for it when uh so in one of the interviews that he listened to the songs. I'm trying to find that interview, see if I'll be able to see it. He has done so much in a short period of time that not sure if we'll be see that. Where is it? Anyway, you get the point. So the Letsile was talking to a journalist. Actually, that's so cool. But I cannot see that interview. But I am going to, I'm not saying but a lot. I'm going to be sharing with you guys songs that I think Tebogo Letsile is listening to before he gets into the arena, just to motivate himself, and then I can also explain what songs. This is not 100% sure, but because he mentioned this artist, I think this is probably the song that he would listen to. Okay. The number one song that I think Tebogo Letsile listen to, obviously, when he's not at home, is this song, which is called Kohae. Kohae means at home, village, or yeah, in my country. Is not, yeah. Where am I going with this? Anyway, this is one of the songs that I think he's listening to. It's no video. So this song is saying at home, and I think that he might have listened to this and got a little emotional because the song is saying at home. We all know that the Letsile when he was in the Bahamas or something, his mom passed away from cancer. So the song is saying talking about what's happening at home, and he's saying, I'm getting reports that my mom is not well at home. She has a back pain or something. But I can probably imagine that they was listening to the song one of those days, tough, difficult. So yeah, this is one of the songs that I think he's listening to. And this artist is actually from his home village. So the number two song that I think Tebogo Letsile is listening to is this one. I'm not gonna make this video very long. I apologize for the young audience. Yes, this is beer alcohol that is made in Botswana. It's called St. Louis. I don't know why is it called, but it is St. Louis beer made in Botswana. But this song is basically saying, I am from the tribe of where Tebogo. Definitely he's listening to this. So he gets into the arena to run faster than normal. Okay, so let me see if I can translate you guys. Start with a poetry, just saying, I am a boy from Maila, which is, other ways to say yeah, or saying what gets it. Say that people say you from. Yeah. Because this is Setswana YouTube page, I should speak it. Setswana. The boy from my. How do I say that? Yeah. So this song is a I can imagine that Tebogo is listening to this song when he's running in Japan and in Europe, like it's way too far. He's saying, I'm from far away in Maila or in Kanye. I'm yeah. Yeah, it's like so I left my home early in the morning. It's like I'm bringing you news, I'm bringing you food. Here they are. Yeah, I have actually had a lot of people from Maila saying that exact. So I'm not gonna do it injustice by trying to direct translate it, but it's a poem that the vibe they. It's a poetry where you're kind of like self-affirmation. But anyway, the number 3 song that I think definitely Tebogo is listening to song.
Don't let your vacation rental and your hammock.
Oh, that's. This is the third song this one I think is the song that he listens to immediately before he steps into the okay, I can field. You know what I mean. So the music has a lot of meaning. I was debating, I don't know, I was thinking like, how am I going to direct translate this? Because when you're speaking Setswana, you don't necessarily think of this in another language. So it's going to be difficult for me to direct translate it, but I am going to try. The song is called Letsile, which is like a rock that is spreading. Have you ever been trying to like dig something and realize, oh my goodness, I can't get any further because the rock here. Try to dig somewhere else, you find that the rock is spreading down here. Cannot penetrate the ground as much as you need to. The rock is just spreading all over the place. So that's the song saying these two guys, it's actually a beef. Believe it or not, it's a traditional beef of these two guys. They were beefing the groups that they were expelled or they left those groups. They're telling that group that, you know what, you probably thinking that you got the last of us, but we are like that rock that is spreading and you cannot get to the end of us. We are all over this place. And they were all over the place. When the song came, believe it or not, Botswana was Yeah, this is the song that Tebogo Letsile definitely listens to before he gets into the arena. I said, I could be. But yeah, this artist says he's listening to. And the song was say, Tsala ke tau ya koma. A kona ke go tshwara ke go bolelele. Mme o ka nkutlwa kelela o ka re ngwana ke o jewa ke. My friend, let me tell you. Mom will hear me crying and probably think, what is going on with my child? And then he's gonna say, it's basically saying, we got each other's backs. I can honestly think that the whole team of Botswana is listening because it's saying, I got this guy's back. Do guy is covered. Yeah, Metogala Walela Motana is like he's young. I have him. Do not worry. His older brother is here. Yeah. Yeah, it's basically like, you know what? You can only get us when the sun is rising. Oh, okay. Anyway. Sisung is one of the other parts of the area where this artists are from there, so really resonate and songs they are saying. It's just like direct translating them. I feel like I'm taking so much from this. So if you are like a Motswana, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And one of the other song that I think Tebogo Letsile could be listening to. Anyway, I think I did it before, but I'm not gonna do the one that I think he's listening to because of that video. If you don't know what I'm talking about, go check out the other video that I did about. There's so many other songs here. Let's see. Anyway, because this video is gonna be, I'll stop. If you guys need to know more of the playlist, let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, I feel like this video got way too long. I thought it was going to be 5 minutes, but damn it. Listen, if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe. You do not miss any of the uploads.